Today we are going to take the lesson we've been learning about outside the classroom and apply it to our own lives. What we know, distance equals rate multiplied by the amount of time it takes to get somewhere. In other words, how fast you go multiplied by the amount of time it takes tells you your distance. Let's stop for a moment. This is Brandon, and he's going to help us figure out what we don't know. Although he wants to find out how long it's going to take him to get to school, he won't know that until he knows about how fast he rides his bike. In order to do this, he's going to ride 1 square mile, and we are going to time him. So, when you're ready, Brandon.
Mark, get set, go.
Alright, here comes Brandon, and he's stopping right about 5 minutes and 11 seconds. In order to figure this out, we know that he is going 1 mile. We don't know the rate, but at 5 minutes and 11 seconds. Thus, you have to divide each side by 5 minutes and 11 seconds to get. When we divide both sides by 5 minutes and 11 seconds, we get 0.196 miles per minute is the rate. In order to convert this to miles per hour, you have to multiply by 60, and that will give you 11.74 miles per hour is the average rate that Brandon went on his mile. The next step is he's going to travel to school. But in the meantime, we will figure out what the estimated time is based on what his previous miles per hour was, which was 11.74. And Brandon's off. So remember, what we know is he is going 2.8 miles to school at a rate of 11.74 miles per hour. So this time we know the rate and we know the miles, but we don't know the time. So when we do the math, it comes out to be 14 minutes and 31 seconds. Let's see just how long it takes Brandon. And he's coming into the home stretch now. Wow, that didn't take Brandon any time at all. Let's get the official. 13 minutes and 22 seconds. So what do we know? We know the distance is 2.8 miles. His rate is unknown, but his time was 13 minutes and 22 seconds. We do our math once again, dividing each side. We figure out the minutes, the miles per minute rate, and then multiply by 60, and that gives us 12.72 miles per hour. He improved on his previous mileage by a whole mile per hour. I don't think he was trying very hard on the first mile. Now we definitely have this distance equals rate multiplied by times down, and the mathematical part. Brandon, however, just won tickets to the Cotton Bowl in Texas and needs to find out how many days it's going to take to drive. His parents have agreed to drive him, but no more than 9 hours per day and at no faster than 70 miles per hour. How can we help Brandon determine how many days it's going to take him? Let's talk about what we know. The distance, we don't know that. But he's allowed to go 70 miles per hour, 9 hours a day. That gives him 630 miles per day. The total miles to the Cotton Bowl is 1,330 miles. If we divide it into it, it gives us 2.11 days to travel. I think he needs to talk his dad into an extra half hour of driving each day so he can make it in just 2 days. Enjoy your trip to Texas. And now we know how easy it is to apply the distance formula to our own personal lives. Thank you.